Welcome. I'm N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to teach you a type of paragraph called sequence. What is the meaning of sequential paragraph? Let's have a look at it. Sometimes we will have to present certain things sequentially. A logical order is called a sequence. For instance, writing a biography, describing an accident, and writing about manufacturing a product which involves a process. All these writings follow a logical or chronological order or sequence of presentations. This is called a sequential paragraph. Let's have a look at the activities to have a better understanding of what is the meaning of sequential paragraph. Activity 1. Olympic Games began as athletic festivals to honor the Greek gods. The most important festival was held in the valley of Olympia to honor Zeus, the king of the gods. It was this festival that became the Olympic Games in 776 BC. These games were ended in AD 394 by the Roman emperor who ruled Greece. No Olympic Games were held for more than 1500 years. Then the modern Olympics began in 1896. Almost 300 male athletes competed in the first modern Olympics. In the games held in 1900, female athletes were allowed to compete. The games have continued every 4 years since 1896, except during the Second World War. This is the activity 1, where you can see the sentences are ordered in a sequence. Let's have a look at activity 2. During his youth, Alexander was tutored by Aristotle until age 16. After Philip's assassination in 336 BC, he succeeded his father to the throne and inherited a strong kingdom and an experienced army. Alexander was awarded the generalship of Greece and used this authority to launch his father's Pan-Hellenic project to lead the Greeks in the conquest of Persia. In 334 BC, he invaded the Achaemenid Empire, Persian Empire, and began a series of campaigns that lasted 10 years. Following the conquest of Anatolia, Alexander broke the power of Persia in a series of decisive battles, most notably the battles of Issus and Gaugamela. He subsequently overthrew Persian king Darius III and conquered the Achaemenid Empire in its entirety. At that point, his empire stretched from the Adriatic Sea to the Beast River. Now you understand the meaning of sequence paragraph. So, let's have the explanation of the sequence. You can find from your reading that all the events starting from the origin. It states development of Alexander from youth. All the events have been presented sequentially. The order of events has been maintained strictly. The appearance of the years in ascending order, 336 and 334 BC, also you can see in the paragraph. This sticks to the chronological order. Hence it is called sequential paragraph. Thanks for watching. We meet again in the next video.